Morning everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I am going to be doing a makeup look. Hope you enjoy. I'm first starting with this. Just drop the lid, bear with us. I've tried to pull as much as I can in front so I'm not like darting everywhere. This is the Be Perfect primer. Now I don't usually do videos like this, the Be Perfect ones for YouTube, so you can actually get this if you want. It's up to 20% off with my code and it's BP Lauren Luke. And I love it. Just going to pop that all over and get nice primed and ready for me foundation. Now I think today, so I'm trying a different thing. It's quite dark in here for Facebook, but on YouTube I haven't put the light on, so hopefully you can see and it's not like washing everything out, because sometimes the quality is a little bit too stark, you know. Right, got that. Let's see. So I'm going to go in with this Perfection primer and I'm probably going to just use this, not anything else. So this is really gorgeous. Look at it. Love this stuff. This one is Rose Glow. You can get another one in Champagne Glow, and then Anna Olivia's got an Everyday Glow one. So it's exciting. You can squirt it onto your face too first if you want. I just put it in here, which I know is a waste of product. But if I do that 10 to 1, it'll drip down and it'll go onto my top. But just look at the glow that I'm getting. You get like a lovely glow. You can pull that right down. And then what I'm going to do as well, because I'm going to be using a shade stick. Let's get my wet wipes. I've got some of these. I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of foundation. If I can find it, I've just had it out there. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on. I've got to do my TikTok videos today, so I may as well do it with my makeup on it. And I thought I'll come and do my makeup with you. I'm using a bit of chroma cover, and this is W4 for me. If you do the matte version, you need to lighten up your shade because it comes quite dark. Brush. You'll hear the seagulls. I'm only putting it in certain areas, like I'm not going like a full face. I'm going to use that primer and just diffuse it into it, and this is likely what I do. Like when I'm not on camera doing a makeup look, I just usually go quite light base. I'll only go all out if I'm going out like somewhere nice, but usually I just don't. To get that all over there. There we go. And bring that down there too, because I don't want any. We don't want any lines, do we? But hopefully by doing it like this, you can all see and it's light enough. And this is like everyday light. I never use filters on my videos, so you can see everything that goes on, exactly how it could look. Yeah, because I don't like you know, I think it's all fine and dandy having a really nice looking video, but then you go to create it and you've got natural light and it never looks the same. And a lot of these videos have got filters on, not all of them, but a lot of them have, and that's no good for you if you're copying along. So this is it in daylight. I'm going to use this. This is the L'Oreal shade stick I picked up the other day. But before I do that, I need a background, and I'm going to go gentle in with a little bit of this. This one here, this little shaded palette. Sorry, Simplify. Don't know where I'm getting shaded from. I've looked at something. There we go, Simplify. It's kind of like a chocolate. It's between chocolate and cord brown pants. Right, where's my brush? Let's have a look. Okay, I only need a little bit of this, not a lot. Tap. And I'm going to use the mirror for this bit, so I'm just going to push. Just gently fluff it, gently give a little bit of a contour colour, but I don't want to make this about this eyeshadow because I want the shade stick to do the talking. I just literally want to create a little bit of a shadow. Hope everyone can see and it's light enough. That's the problem. Getting it right for both, it's quite hard. I'm going to have a look into how to do it. I'm really doing a load of learning lately, like trying to edit and just loads of stuff. I'm really doing my best to try so it gets it right for everyone, because all platforms are different. TikTok, Instagram, completely different to Facebook and YouTube. Started on YouTube, love it. Come back, love Facebook every day. I love connecting. You all know who you are, all my friends every day. Good morning on a morning. Same with YouTube. It's really starting to build back up, and a lot of people have just been so welcoming. TikTok I love. It's got a nice little feel about it as well. Instagram I'm not completely sure about yet. It's good. Lots of people on there. Lots of lovely support. But I think it's because it's one of the ones I've never used so much. So I think it's all new to us. I'm just fluffing this out anyway. So I want to create a bit of a shade going on, but not too much. Because like I said, it's not about this. It's about the colour I'm going to put on. I just need to make sure I've gone the right way up with that one. Not the best light, so without that light I can't see much what I'm doing, but to bear with us. Now here we go. I'm happy with that. We're going to try this. So this is the eyeshadow stick, and this one is, if I can find it, foiled copper. Now this one was sold out. There was a load of other colours, really nice colours, like a dark chocolate brown. There was a really light one, I think it was called Gold Frost or Rose Frost, very nice. But this one's the foiled copper, and I'm just going to show you on the back of my hand. This is what sold it for us. Look at that. Hang on, I've just done that wrong. I've gone over a vein. Look at the colour of that one. See that? That was like, okay, it's coming home with me. I love me oranges, I love me coppers. Probably my favourite tones. I love corals, coppers and bronzes. Sometimes, so I'm just going to pop that there. You can blend it if you want. But sometimes I will actually put on like a dark brown. There we go, a dark brown. And I find it makes us look really old. So there's different colours that'll work for you, and there's different colours that won't. It's all about trial and error. So what I would advise if you're unsure is just, if you've got half an hour to an hour spare on a night time, get your makeup brushes out, get your makeup palettes out, and experiment and play. There's no rules with makeup. That's what I love about it. I love makeup because there's no rules. Nobody can say you've done that wrong, you've done that right. It's entirely up to you and how comfortable you are wearing it. What I'm wearing comfortably might not be for you. Same, you know? It's all different. I'm just going to put a little bit more on, and then I can brush that up if I want. But I want to concentrate it to the lash line. See, I'm leaving a gap above. You could put it underneath as well, but I'm not going to. I've got a plan for underneath. So I want to diffuse it. I need a smaller brush for that, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to use this one again. Same one I've used. I'm just going to go underneath. Now I will have a little bit of foundation there as well, so it'll help stick to it. Oh, my Vaseline thing's downstairs. Never mind. I need something to stick to, so I'm going to put a little bit more foundation just underneath so I can get it to stick. This is what you need. You need stuff like a concealer. There we go. Lovely. If I do that, because I want a little bit of like a lighter brown underneath. Primer's good for this. The Vaseline stick would be amazing. But I'm going to pop that. It's because I've probably got not enough on. There we go. Bring it round. What am I watching? I've just thought Prey. I'm watching Prey on Netflix. So I do talk about this quite often, like what am I watching? Lots of people say, Lauren, what are you watching? What are you watching? Prey, Netflix. I've just finished Sirens. Good. It was good. It was good. I put like, not love because I didn't love it, but I liked it. Probably wouldn't watch it again. Amandaland. Everyone said watch Amandaland because I love the one that. So Amandaland was the spin-off to. I can't remember the name. What was it called? If you'll remember. It's about parents in, I think it was London. It was really, really good. I can't remember what it was called, but it was brilliant. And Amandaland was a spin-off. Anyway, it's gone. It goes a lot. Let's have a look. I think I've got an eyeshadow. No, I haven't. I've left it down there somewhere. If I can find it quick, I'll use it. And if I can't, I won't. I can't find it quick. So we're going to leave that. Did have it out. But we're going to go in with, please, New Moon. Right. New Moon. This is Be Perfect. Again, you can use my code. It's BP Long Look. Get up to 20% off everything, by the way, on the website. Everyone on Facebook knows, but I don't really talk about it on YouTube because I haven't been on YouTube, have I? But I work for Be Perfect. So if you want anything off the website, you want to try something, get a discount, pop my code in. I'm going to use this. I wanted to use Milk. Milk is really nice and light and it gives that open eye look, but we're going to go in with this anyway. And then we get my dark brown without it looking too closed in and dark. My battery's going to go on this. I'm going to have to be quick. Okay, so this is New Moon. Here we go. Again, I hope you can see. I would love to create some flawless, like makeup looks, like filtered looks, you know, like really go for it and filter and have a look, but it just wouldn't be real. And I've got to keep it real for you. So the lighting's never so great. There we go. You can see everything I'm doing. What you can do as well is, so you've got your liner on. One of my eyes is bigger than the other. So I'm going to just diffuse that down so it's not so stark. Just push it down like that. See how it's softened it into the liner you've done? Sorry, into your underneath. That's why going under there with that lighter brown is helpful. I tell you what, I've seen and all. Asian makeup's absolutely stunning. Oh my God, so I need to do a video for you, right? It's going to be a bit hard for me because I don't have the eye shape, but I'm going to show you as best I can. So under here, add a little, like it looks a little fat pocket, and it's so cute. You'll see when you watch Asian makeup videos. Then they've got the liner out here. The eyes are dead open. They're always glowy. When I went to Thailand, all the girls, even the men, their skin was just glowing, absolutely glowing. That is the #1 thing in South Asia. Sorry, is glow, 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 glow. I love it. It's proper inspiring. You see that everyone looks so healthy there, and everyone's so nice as well. It's like here in the UK. No disrespect, but some people can be a bit rude and off. Everyone in Thailand was so happy and friendly, couldn't do enough for you. I just want to go back and live there. Like, yeah, beautiful. So let's get some mascara on. This one is the Intensify. A lot of people ask about this mascara. Look what it's done. Now, I have got length, I just don't have the volume. So look what it does. And if you can hear noises, it is the floor, not me, I promise you. This house is creaky. Get rid of that. But look how that copper's just made the eyes pop. I love copper. No, and I tell you what, blue eyes, brown eyes, green eyes, hazel, whatever you've got, dark brown, black eyes, copper is such a lush colour. Seriously, you know, if you're stuck thinking what will work, copper. It's just one of them colours that makes things pop. Golds can be good as well. I don't feel like they've got the same impact copper has. I think copper just tends to work. Copper brings hazel out as well because you've got copper bits in there. Mine is a funny colour. People say green, some people say brown. I don't think it's brown. I think it's more of a hazel colour. It's got a bit of blue in, green in, copper colour, brownie. It's got a bit of everything, so handy because I can play around with different colours. Right, cheeks. I've got 2 products. I'm not doing any glow today. I'm going straight in with this, and then I'm going to put a bit of something else on which I haven't used in a while. This is the Melted in Coral Beach, just so you can see colour wise, go lovely with the copper. And then I need to create some brows and a bit of lip. I've got a lip colour for you which I think you're going to like. I'll just pop a little bit here. So when you see the bit like is it South Asia? Yeah, South Asia. Oh, the look, the proper glowy. I've got to do one for you. I'm just going to make sure I put that right round. So this is a blush, but you can take it up. You can do what you want with it, like I said, no rules. And this can be used on your eyes, lips and your face. So if you wanted it, you know, like you didn't know what colour lipstick to go with your blush, stick it all on. It's brilliant. It's like a multi-use product. On top of that, I'm going to go in here. Look, can anyone remember this? Bella Bellini. This is the Milani powder blush. Love, 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 love. Have a little look at that. See? Well, just a little bit. Watch, watch, watch. You'll start seeing glow come out together. Look at that. Hope you can see. Hope everything's getting picked up on camera. So if you bumped into me in the street, this is how I'm going to look. Get some brow on, using Indestructible Brow by Be Perfect. Only because I feel like I'm missing pieces here. Right, there we go. It's very thinned out because I've been lying on it and I've been wearing an iPad too. Sounds terrible. Sounds not like non-iPad. I've been actually wearing the sleep mask. So I wake up in the morning, my brows are like, my lashes are together. Yeah, fun times. Right, lips. I'm going in with this. This one's L'Oreal and it's called I Saw. Look at it. It's lovely. Lovely colour. I think it's still available. Love the look. Look at that. How cute. And I just wanted something smells like bubblegum, by the way. Minty bubblegum, might I add. And you can feel a bit of a tingle. So it's quite plumping. This is a long one. People are not keen on the long ones on YouTube, I don't think. You'll have to let us know. If you're still watching, I want to see a banana emoji. Emoji or a picture. It's just something fun we do, isn't it? It's to see if you're still awake. See if you're still watching. And if you are, wow. I really appreciate everything. Here we go. It's a simple makeup look. It hasn't took that long. And look at that pop of that. Where's it gone? There we go. Makeup wipe stuck to it. There we go. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I need to do something with the hair now and then I'm good to go. Look at it. Again, I need to stop lying on this side. I might do a swapsy at night. Well, I hope you have a lovely day. Thank you for watching. If you are still watching, if you're still awake, wakey wakey. See you in a bit. Zoom zoom.